My name is Adam Gebhart. I'm a plumbing installer here at Pipe Wrench Plumbing. Today we're doing a water heater and a minor repipe. The customer is getting a new ceiling, putting his basement down here, and she basically wants all of her pipes raised up. So that's what we're doing today. Let's do it! I moved here from out of state, or in the midst of moving out of state, and my hometown's about 500 and some miles away, so instead of driving back and forth, doing interviews here and there, and my brother has a friend who works in the office at Pipe Wrench. Just kind of got the connection, and when I started working here, it felt like I never left my last job. So, you know, very family orientated and really nice place to work. People are really kind to you. You know, they'll say good morning and all that. So far, it's nice. Back in Maryland, I work at a warehouse. It was basically overseas shipping to mainly the U.S. embassies all over the world, and I was a lead receiver, inventory specialist. All kinds of parts came in, came out, you know, went whichever way, and ironically, some of those parts included plumbing products and plumbing material and all that. So when I got over here, I kind of knew what the parts were called and what they were. Everything's different every day. You never know what you're going to go into. People try to describe like what you're trying to go into, but you never know. Once you get it all done, it looks good, nice and clean, and it works right. It's just satisfying, you know. You make sure the customer's happy. You know, when you leave out of there, you want to know that you did it right and you feel good about it. So. I enjoy working here because they're very close, and they like to, you know, everybody gets along. You know, you have like a family emergency, and, you know, on short notice, they'll be like, oh, absolutely. They're really caring. If you have like an issue, they'll talk it over with you, make sure, you know, you're okay doing whatever it is that you're doing. If you tell them you're uncomfortable with something, they definitely do their best to avoid any conflict and, you know, personalities with somebody that you might have a conflict with. But that's not the case around here. It's a pretty nice place to work. I play a little bit of soccer, a little bit of Xbox, hang out with my dog, maybe go to the dog park. I played all the way up till the beginning of high school, and then I moved here. I was originally looking for a basketball league, but I settled in with soccer because my brother does it. A couple of friends do it, and that's how I made the majority of my friends since being here as it is. So.